Hey friends, it is Lisa Mason Ziegler, and yep, it is Sunday afternoon. It is not Wednesday. Friends, I have lots of announcements to make, and I thought this would be a great place to drop in and tell you guys all about it. So, I don't know, first off, what do y'all think of my new specs? I had to get new glasses, and y'all, this is what happens to you when you start getting old. These glasses reminded me of my dad. So this is what I got, and this is what we're going to have for a while. Anyway, so I have a lot of announcements to make, and I just made a post on Instagram that my Wednesday Ask a Flower Farmer, what is that? That's every Wednesday on Instagram Live. I have been doing from 11:30 a.m. Eastern Time till 12 noon, Ask a Flower Farmer. You could post your question about growing flowers, flower farming business, even farm dogs, starting seeds, whatever you got, I would do my best to answer them. And we're continuing to do that. But y'all, I'm going to have an Instagram Live Ask a Flower Farmer takeover for the month of July, for the rest of July and in August. And each week we'll be sharing ahead of time who the host is. And y'all, you are just going to love the people that we have lined up. And this week on Wednesday, July 20th, is our first guest. And friends, it is Daniel Shavey of Petal Pickers. And I'm pretty sure if you're a flower farmer, you know exactly who I'm talking about, right? I mean, Daniel is he does so much social media stuff, it's hard not to know who he is. And what he has done on his South Carolina farm is extraordinary. Anyway, he is going to be all yours for 30 minutes on this Wednesday, July 20th. And I can't wait for you guys to interact with him. I'm so grateful to him for doing it. And so if you don't already follow Petal Pickers, now is the time to get on board. And then you are going to have your time with him on Wednesday right here on Instagram on my account. He'll be on the Gardener's Workshop page, 11:30 a.m. Eastern Time till 12 noon. So get your questions ready, y'all. And he's growing in South Carolina, and he grows dahlias. Y'all are always asking me dahlia questions, and I don't know the answers to them. Now is your chance. All right, so that's announcement number one. Announcement number two is that I'm taking a little hiatus from Clubhouse, because I do that also on Wednesdays. And friends, if you haven't figured it out, I'm not taking a big old vacation. I just have a really big project I'm working on, and I just need a little bit of space. And so, Clubhouse, I'll see you again in September. We have really worked up a great following over there. And I don't want you, we may end up having some guest hosts over there, but I will not be over there again until September. However, you are still going to find me on Fridays inside the Gardener's Workshop app for the Friday live shop and show. And friends, I'm giving y'all a little sneak peek. You know, we gave away a killer item this past Friday. We had the biggest crowd we have ever had. Wait, I'm going to show you what I'm giving away this week. So many of you probably don't even know about this, but I self-published a book. What year was it? Let's see if it's in the front of this thing. I self-published a book, wait a minute, y'all, 2011. And we self-published this book. It was an enormous hit because back then was when newspapers were still really big, right? And we had a great local garden writer, and she always featured me. And she did a feature on this book and used this hot picture of me. I mean, just big old bunch of flowers, and I had a hat on, a bunch of flowers behind me. Anyway, it hit the Associated Press, and it went in all 50 states. We sold thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of books just because of Kathy Van Mellicom. I mean, Kathy was like a gift to me. Anyway, so we continued to print it for a couple of years. Then as I got a little smarter, I realized in the printing world how we needed to kind of update the way it looked and maybe some different pictures. And we just didn't get to it because then I was published with Cool Flowers by a publisher. So we are constantly being asked, can't we get that book? This would be the book, y'all. The Easy Cut Flower Garden. This is the first book. Here's the picture that she used in the newspaper. Gosh, that was a long time ago. Look how dark. That was natural color hair back then, by the way. So we stopped publishing it. We used to sell it through Amazon and through our website, right? It was $14.95. I think currently on Amazon right now it's $100. Anyway, it's crazy. So I do have some copies of these. And so this coming Friday, if you'd like one, now this is, I'll read to you what the description is, a guide to a season of fresh cut flowers from a 3 by 10 foot garden for beginners and seasoned gardeners. So this is what I launched my whole business on, y'all, was this little building, this little 3 by 10 cutting garden and how many flowers you can get out of it. And I'm giving this away during the live shopping show this Friday. Here's the rules. First off, you got to get the app. You got to go to your app store, search Gardener's Workshop Live Shop. You'll find it. Download it. You can watch previous weeks. You can shop in there and do all this kind of stuff. However, here's the rub. The special offers that I offer every Friday at 12 noon are only good until the following morning at 8 a.m. So if you watch it, any of those specials are no longer any good. You can still shop, but the special offers are no longer available. But every Friday, I bring up some more. And so you join me at Friday at 12 noon, and you can get the offers, and you can shop all day until 8 a.m. the next morning and take advantage of them. But if you want to be entered for my book, The Easy Cut Flower Garden, you have to just show up and be present, friends. That's kind of like running a good business too, right? I mean, you just got to keep showing up. So you show up, we'll give you directions. This will come up as one of the products, and we'll tell you, put it in your cart. That enters you. That puts you on a wait list for it. You're never going to be able to buy it. This is just our way of doing a contest through that app. That'll put you on the wait list, and we pick the winner from that. And we pick the winner right before the show ends at like 5 minutes to 1. Or this past week, we did it at 1:06. There were so many darn people there. So if you'd like to have this little vintage book of mine, I mean, we grew up, we even bought a barcode for it, one of the last printings. I mean, I think we printed almost 20,000 of these little babies. It's warm season annuals. It's just, I haven't looked at this book. I just grabbed it when I came out here. I haven't looked at this in a really, really long time. And you know who it's dedicated to? For Stevie, I garden because of you. And it's true. That's my husband. If it hadn't been for him, y'all, I wouldn't be here today doing what I'm doing. So join me every Friday, 12 noon, for the Gardener's Workshop live show. And what do I do there? I'm showing, this is what was on the show plus more. I share the harvest. I give you the 411 on the flowers we're looking at, and you get to see what the blooms look like and additional information, plus whatever chores I'm doing, and the special offers. The special offers are often bundles of things together at a discounted rate, or at least discounted shipping, that you won't find on our website. This is like a whole special standalone event, and I just hope you guys join. So enter to win the Easy Cut Flower Garden book. It's only like 100 pages long. Oh my gosh, I'm looking in the back. This is so old. You could purchase the DVDs that it talks about in the back. Oh my gosh. Y'all, this is like old school day. Anyway, so see you on Friday. Check out Wednesday, Ask a Flower Farmer for the next, I think it's 7 or 8 weeks. We have guest hosts taking it over, and out of the gate is Daniel Shavey of Petal Pickers this Wednesday, July 20th. Daniel, you'll just pick his brains, y'all. He is just such a great farmer and so true and so honest. Daniel and Wes have become really good friends of mine, and I just love that he's going to be able to do it. And wait till you see the other people that we have coming on. All right, so check out that on Wednesday. I'm still, even though Wednesdays, I'm kind of like out of the picture now temporarily for the next 2 months. I'm still doing the shopping show on Friday. I'm still doing Seed Starting Saturday on YouTube on Saturdays. And so that's where you'll find us. And friends, it's going to be a while before I can tell you what I'm doing, but you're going to be really happy about it. So, all right. All right, friends. See you. Be there or be square. And if you want to win this baby, show up Friday inside the Gardener's Workshop app. Gardener's Workshop Live Shop is where you'll find it on your app store. All right, friends. Till we meet again. Ciao.